In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and modify numbered lists in Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing a detailed report or just keeping track of points in a project, mastering numbered lists can dramatically enhance your document's clarity and professionalism. Let's dive in and simplify the process so you can make the most out of this powerful feature. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Word document. Once you have your document open, go ahead and select all the lines of text that you're looking to number. Now, with your text selected, move your attention to the top of the window and click on the Home tab. In the Home tab, look for the paragraph group. Within this area, you'll see a button that resembles a list of 1, 2, 3. That's your numbering button. Click on it, and just like that, you'll have a neatly numbered list. Now, suppose you want to change the numbering style. Perhaps Roman numerals or even alphabetical letters suit your document style better. To do this, find the numbering button again, but this time click the small down arrow next to it. When you do this, a menu will pop up showing several different numbering formats. From the numbering library, you can choose the style that best meets your needs, whether it's Roman numerals like I, 2, 3, or letters like A, B, C. Creating sub-items or multi-level lists is equally straightforward. All you need to do is click on the specific list item you'd like to turn into a sub-item. For example, if you want to change item 2 to become 1.A, make sure that item is selected. Next, press the Tab key on your keyboard. Microsoft Word will automatically adjust the number format for that lower level, converting a number into a letter or Roman numeral as needed. If at any point you decide to move a sub-item back to its original level, simply press Shift plus Tab and it will fall back into place. Sometimes you may need to either continue numbering from a previous list or restart numbering altogether. To do this, right-click directly on the number you intend to change, not the associated text, just the number itself. This will bring up a quick menu. Here you'll find two primary options. Restart at 1 allows you to begin a completely new list starting from 1 or A or I, depending on your style choice. Alternatively, continue numbering will enable the numbers to continue from the last list you used in the document. Finally, if you wish to change the starting number of your list, right-click on the number once again. Select the Set Numbering Value option. A dialog box will appear asking you to type in the desired starting number. So if you'd prefer your list to commence at item number 5, simply type 5 and click OK. And there you have it. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate and modify numbered lists in your documents, making your word skills even more robust. Thanks for watching and happy list making.